In the next few videos, we will try to learn about what are Chrome extensions and how can we use them. You might have heard about Chrome extensions, you might already have some of them. You can get more of them from Web Store right here. What you can do is you can also check which Chrome extensions do you have by going to this Chrome extension page. You will see a lot of extensions which are different types, but what exactly is a Chrome extension? So to start there, we will first go to Chromium. Chromium is the open source project that powers Chrome as well as Chrome OS. As part of the Chrome and Chrome open source project, you can do a lot of things that are in your browser, but there's only so much that Chrome team can do to ensure that your browser is customized for yourself and your experience. In order to give developers the ability to do more customization, Chrome team allows you to extend the browser using extensions. So how do you actually do that? Let's take a look. Extensions are basically JavaScript, HTML and CSS files that you can include inside the Chrome and you can run it. They can serve a single purpose, that's through design, and they can do lots of stuff. So some extensions do enhance an existing feature of a website, some allow you to do custom behaviors, and some even allow you to do themes. Like for example, I have a theme right now set up on my Chrome. Okay, so let's try building a very basic extension. What does it take? Alright, so here's our project. We're gonna create a new folder, an extension that does nothing. So to create an extension, you need at least a manifest file. Manifest file tells what kind of extension it is and some basic details about the extension. It's a JSON file and we will have some details in here. So this is an extension that does nothing. Some description that will be used when showing the extension. So it's almost same as having an empty box. So many possibilities. You also need a version number so that when next time you push an update to your extension, it can get automatically updated on the user's device. I generally follow SEMVer versioning everywhere, and it's a good practice. You should as well. Finally, you need a manifest version. This tells Chrome how to pass the data that is inside your extension. The current Chrome extension version is 2, manifest version is 2. Chrome team is working on version 3, and we will see whenever that comes out. We will have samples for that as well. Okay, so this is it. Let's save this extension and now actually get started with it. So now we want to load these extensions, so you can go back to extensions page. You might not be in a developer mode, so if you're not in developer mode, you won't see the options to add it. So you might want to toggle that back up and load unpacked extension. It's an unpacked extension because this extension is not shared on the public channel on Chrome Web Store. So now this is our folder where we will load our extension. Okay, so here's our extension. Our extension does nothing. It has the description and the name, all these values are here. You see the version number over here. And finally, how do I even see my extension? So you can go into the drop down here and pin your extension, and it will show up here. Now what does this extension do? Nothing. You can also remove this extension from Chrome. You can unpin, but that's it. That's all you need to build an extension. In future videos, we will see actually adding more functionality to our extension. Thanks everybody.